Welcome to the project demonstration of solar powered multitasking agriculture robots with video surveillance, means IoT. So here the main application of this project is, so it will transmit the video by using this ESP32 camera. By seeing the visuals, we can control this robotic movements as a forward, backward, left, right, stop movement, as well as we can control this ploughing mechanism which was attached to this DC motor, and the next seed mechanism which was attached to this motor, and next water dropping, so means water pumping with the help of this tanker which is a capacity of 1.5 liters, and that will be pumping through this DC motor. So totally 3 DC motors for agriculture application purpose, that is a ploughing, seeding and also water pumping system. And these 3 motors will be controlled through these 3 relays, 2 relays for the water pumping as well as seed dropping, and ploughing for this relay. And 2 movement of this robotic movement will be achieved with the help of the red color PCB. We can see that is a L298 motor driver, and with the help of that motor driver we can control the direction of this robotic movements. And next, the whole system getting power supply from this battery pack which is rechargeable through this solar powered. So the output of the solar panel is input to this battery pack through this charging circuit. So this charging circuit is used to charge a battery either from the solar panel or grid also, means whenever the sunlight is not available we can charge this battery pack using the grid just by removing this solar panel from this T by S slots, connect this transformer at this slots and on the power supply to this transformer, so which will take 230 volts AC input and provide us the 12 volts of AC output. After this transformation, this charging circuit will convert the AC to pure DC, which is sufficient to charge a battery pack. So with the help of this wire directly it was connected to the battery pack. And coming to the ratings, so we are using 12 volts 3 watt solar panel, and the battery pack is 12 volts 2 amp battery pack. So there we can see 6 batteries. In that 3 batteries are in series, so we'll get 12 volt 1 amp, and these 3 batteries are in series 12 volt 1 amp. These 2 sets are in parallel, so we'll get 12 volts 2 amp DC output, which is the main power source to our system. And here the 12 volts DC will be converted into the 5 volts of DC with the help of this PCB, which is of LM2596 voltage regulator, as it will regulate the 12 volts DC to 12 volts 5 volts of, so the DC 5 volts is input to the microcontroller and remaining other components. But this 12 volts DC is the operating voltage of our DC motors, so that's why we are using these drivers to control the DC motors directly based on the trigger pulse input from the microcontroller. So these are the main components in our project. And coming to the ratings, we are using this 12 volts DC motor of 100 rpm for ploughing purpose, 3.5 rpm for seeding purpose, and this 12 volt 1 amp DC water pump, and remaining 2 DC motors are attached inside the body of this robotic movement, so that is a 12 volts 30 rpm DC motors. So these are all about the component ratings in our project. And let us see the demonstration. So before demonstration, first step is keep the battery under full charge at least of 5 to 6 hours minimum. Till the duration, keep the battery under charging. Then after, on the hotspots, and also we need to install the network analyzer application which is available in the Play Store. So this application mainly to get the IP address of our ESP32 camera. There's a network analyzer application. After installation of this application, now go to hotspot settings and configure the hotspot name to project, right, so project 6939 without any space, without any capital letter, and password should be 123456789, and AP band should be 2.4 gigahertz. These 3 settings are important. After enable the hotspot and data, now you can on the kit. Okay, so this is the main on off switch on the project. So just you can on this. So there we can see the one device is connected to your mobile phone. Now to get the IP address of that mobile phone, we can see, right, it's only 192.168.232.72. so the network analyzer application will show the IP address. For that, just options, LAN scan, do the scan. Off the Wi-Fi must and should, only hotspot on. Just open the Google Chrome. So there we get the visuals directly from the camera, and here the options like forward, backward, left, right options, seed on and seed off, light on, okay, light off, and this P are nothing but it's a plow on and plow off. W on, W off, nothing but water motor on, water motor off. So let us see the demonstration on the floor. So now here, just we press and hold this button for forward, backward, left hand operations. So till you release the button, the system keep on executing the operation. Right. So when you release that, automatically stops. Backward. So left side. Right, and coming to the seed. So the seed motor rotates as the pipe rotates, so which will collect the seeds from this funnel, and that will be dropped under the robots on the soil. So seeds off, and the next light on, next plow on. So we can control this plow on, backward. Okay, so plow off, and next water on. Right. Yeah, right. Thank you.